Here's how to draw BanBan from Garten of BanBan. Draw a circle. Then draw a pupil looking down to the side. Come over a bit and draw another circle. Try to keep it the same size. And draw a pupil looking in the exact same direction. Next, draw the mouth. Then we're going to have it come down. Then stop about here. And we're going to draw a tongue over it. So draw a line that comes up into the mouth. And then hook it around. Finish the mouth. Next, we're going to come up here and draw this shape over the eye. And then draw a triangle. Come over to this eye. Draw an arcing shape over it, and then make another triangle. Now connect these two shapes with a little U. And then we're going to draw some diagonal lines across the triangles. And draw a line that goes down and diagonally just a bit. Come to this side, draw a line that comes down, diagonal, and then we're going to draw shoulders. Just underneath the shoulder, we're going to draw a shape that comes in like this, and go to this side. Draw the shape coming in like this, and then draw a line that comes down. Draw a little foot. Then the line comes up and then curves around like an upside down U. Comes down to the ground, and we draw a little foot. And draw a line that connects to the bottom of the foot. Now come up to the arm. We're going to draw a straight line, and then draw a bulgy line. Then draw a bulgy line here that connects to the shoulder. Now we're going to draw his hand, which is just these three little fingers. Almost like a duck foot. Come over here. Draw a straight line, then a bulgy line, connect these lines, then draw his little hand. Doot doot doo. And that's how you draw BanBan from the Garten of BanBan game. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other drawing tutorials on the channel, and thank you for liking and subscribing.